Goy. God, save those jets!
Hormuz, your time's up. Surrender now. We will not yield. Then face the consequences. You will regret this.
As the final helicopter disappears into the distance, Jax prepares his final report for the Pentagon. Mission accomplished. Jax takes a moment to acknowledge the deck crew's hard work during the record-breaking deployment.
Guy, first arrived reports firm, standing guy.
Jax inspects remaining emergency response vehicles on the deck, ensuring readiness for any contingency.
Jax coordinates the transition of the flight deck from launch mode to recovery for the returning escorts.
Jax confirms the final 4,000 soldier has safely boarded, completing the primary phase of the ultimatum. As the rotor winds intensify, Jax stays grounded, ensuring the final troop manifest is signed off.
Jax finalizes the radio handshake between the incoming ground controllers and the transport fleet.
Jax feels tactical satisfaction as the AH-64 Apaches hover in a perfect protective ring around the ship.
Secure that pallet now! Load is on, just move! Yes, sir!
Jax observes the penultimate wave of troops, ensuring the 4,000-man goal is reached without a single safety lapse. As the 50th helicopter departs, Jax realizes the logistical machine is running at peak efficiency.
Next platoon, move out! To the Chinook, double time!
Focusing entirely on the next company of troops waiting to embark. Jax verifies heavy support equipment is properly secured for the rapid aerial transit into the mission zone. Jax watches the Apaches lift away from deck, transitioning into their protective screen for the transport line. Jax cross-references the final troop manifest, ensuring all 4,000 personnel are moving toward their targets. As a gust of wind sweeps the deck, Jax prioritizes the safety of troops boarding the vibrating helicopters.
Chinooks confirm handoff status. Apaches maintain Rathbatship.
Copy, Commander. Handoffs confirmed. Escorts in position.
Jax feels the sheer force of the air wing as Apache gunships prepare to shield the troop transport fleet during insertion.
Minor alignment issue! Secure the final crates, now! Pushing left! Faster, keep it tight! Secured, sir!
Jax monitors heavy lift logistics as the next wave of Chinooks idles, keeping the 4,000 troop transition on schedule.
The machine is running at peak efficiency.
Jax ignores the rising deck temperature, focusing entirely on the next company of troops waiting to land.
It's the troop!
Jax verifies heavy support equipment is properly secured for the rapid aerial transit into the mission zone. Jax watches the AH-64 Eps lift away, transitioning into their protective screen for the transport line. Jax cross-references the final troop manifest for the second wave, ensuring all 4,000 personnel are moving to their targets.
Hold steady, soldier. Wind's picking up. Line, keep moving! To the helo! Watch for obstacles! Jax to escorts confirm handoff status.
Escorts to Jax. Handoffs boarding. Proceed.
Jax feels the sheer force of the air wing as Apache gunships prepare to shield the troop transport fleet.
Secure final gear crates, now!
Jax monitors heavy lift logistics, ensuring the massive 4,000 troop transition remains perfectly synchronized. As the 30th helicopter takes flight, Jax realizes the momentum of the troop surge is now unstoppable.
Platoon on me! Move to the Chinook, now!
Jax watches the AH transition to their protective screening positions around the troop transport line. Jax checks the final troop manifest for the second wave, ensuring all 4,000 personnel are accounted for.
Steady that pack, the watch is picking up. Yes, sir, almost secure. Keep the line moving, watch for hazards.
Jax synchronizes radio frequencies between the transport Chinooks and Apache escorts to ensure a seamless confirmed sync.
Sensors check, power feels immense. Thumbs up for cover. Blade spinning up, air wing coordinate. Move, accelerate the tethering now. Keep it tight, no delays!
Jax tracks the heavy lift Chinooks as they begin low-A shrewd formation, maintains tactical integrity. As the 20th Chinook takes flight, Jax realizes the first phase of the ultimatum deployment is nearing completion.
Next thing, put 3 still on.
Jax feels focused on the next wave of 500 troops waiting to board.
Strap secure, balance confirmed. Copy, ready for liftoff.
Jax watches the AH-64 Apaches transition from the deck to their low-altitude screening position. Jax checks the internal manifest of the 4,000 troop surge to ensure every squad is accounted for.
Hold steady, Marine! Wait, back up! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Keep moving! Jax coordinates radio frequencies between the heavy transport Chinooks and the Apache escorts.
Observing the Apache gunships warming up, Jax feels the immense power of the air wing ready to enforce the ultimatum.
Move faster! That clock is ticking down! Yes, sir. Almost done. Good. Keep it up. Helicopters at hover altitude. Formation is tight.
Jax tracks the heavy lift helicopters as they reach. With the first wave away, Jax prepares the second wave of the 4,000 troop insertion, maintaining rapid pace. Jax feels the vibration of the deck as the first wave of 10 Chinooks begins their synchronized liftoff.
Weapon systems check complete. All green.
Copy, this Jax very weapon system.
Jax is struck by the scale of the fleet as he prepares the final 1,000 troops for departure.
Five checks now. Move!
Jax monitors fuel levels and weight limits of departing aircraft to ensure maximum.
Wait, prepare to board! Coordinates locked. Apache screen flight for it.
Jax coordinates the Apache gunship screen that will protect the troop transport flight path.
As the wind picks up, focus on stabilizing the heavy lift helicopters. Accelerate the loading pace now.
Jax feels a surge of professional pride watching his elite team move in synchronized precision under pressure. Realizing the scale of the 4,000 troop deployment, Jax mentally verifies the sequence of the Apache escort arrival. Commander Jax oversees the initial phase of the troop surge as the first Chinook rotors begin to spin.